Samsung Galaxy A56 versus iPhone 16e. When it comes to display size, the Samsung Galaxy A56 boasts a stunning 6.7 inches, providing an immersive visual experience for gaming and streaming. In contrast, the iPhone 16e offers a slightly smaller 6.1 inches, which still delivers vibrant visuals but may feel a bit compact for some users. The Galaxy A56 clearly takes the lead in this category, making it the go-to for those who love larger screens. The Samsung Galaxy A56 features a versatile triple-camera setup with a 50-megapixel main lens, perfect for capturing detailed photos in various lighting conditions. On the flip side, the iPhone 16e comes equipped with a robust 48-megapixel wide lens, renowned for its color accuracy and sharpness. While both cameras excel, the A56's additional lenses offer more creative options for photography enthusiasts. In performance benchmarks, the Samsung Galaxy A56 scores an impressive Antutu rating of 9,886/89, showcasing its capability for multitasking and gaming. However, the iPhone 16e outshines it with a staggering Antutu score of 1,105, making it one of the fastest devices on the market. If raw power is what you crave, the iPhone 16e is the clear winner here. The display resolution of the Samsung Galaxy A56 stands at 1080x2340 pixels, providing sharp and vibrant visuals. Meanwhile, the iPhone 16e takes it up a notch with a resolution of 1170 by 2532 pixels, ensuring even crisper images and text. For those who prioritize resolution, the iPhone 16e delivers an edge in clarity. Under the hood, the Samsung Galaxy A56 is powered by an octa-core processor, offering a balanced performance for everyday tasks. The iPhone 16e, however, features a hexa-core chipset that operates at higher clock speeds, translating to faster processing and better efficiency. For speed demons, the iPhone 16e is the champion in this category. When it comes to battery life, the Samsung Galaxy A56 packs a robust 5,000 mAh battery, ensuring longevity for all-day use without frequent recharging. In comparison, the iPhone 16e's 4005 battery is commendable, but may require more frequent top-ups. For users who prioritize battery endurance, the Galaxy A56 is the clear choice. The Samsung Galaxy A56 is equipped with a Super AMOLED display that supports a 120Hz refresh rate, offering smooth scrolling and vibrant colors. The iPhone 16e, with its Super Retina XDR OLED display, provides stunning visuals, but at a standard refresh rate. If fluidity and responsiveness are your priorities, the Galaxy A56 takes the crown. Both devices sport a 12-megapixel selfie camera, but the iPhone 16e's lens features a wider aperture of f1.9, allowing for better low-light performance and depth effects. While the Galaxy A56's selfie camera is capable, the iPhone 16e offers a slight advantage for those who love capturing high-quality self-portraits. The Samsung Galaxy A56 runs on Android 15 with the promise of up to 6 major upgrades, giving users flexibility and customization options. The iPhone 6e, on the other hand, operates on iOS 18.3.1, known for its seamless integration and user-friendly interface. For those who prefer a more open ecosystem, the Galaxy A56 is appealing, while iOS fans will feel right at home with the iPhone 16e. The Samsung Galaxy A56 is powered by the Exynos 1580 chipset, providing solid performance across tasks. In contrast, the iPhone 16e features the Apple A18 chipset, built on a 3nm process, ensuring top-tier efficiency and speed. For users seeking cutting-edge technology, the iPhone 16e is the standout choice. The Samsung Galaxy A56 offers configurations up to 256GB with 12GB RAM, providing ample storage and multitasking capabilities. The iPhone 16e also matches with up to 512GB and 8GB RAM, catering to those who need more space for apps and media. For storage enthusiasts, the iPhone 16e presents a more generous option. Both devices feature a premium build with glass fronts and backs and aluminum frames. The Samsung Galaxy A56 utilizes Gorilla Glass Victus Plus, enhancing durability against drops and scratches. The iPhone 16e also boasts a sturdy design, but lacks the same level of glass protection. For those who prioritize ruggedness, the Galaxy A56 has the edge. In terms of video recording, the Samsung Galaxy A56 can shoot in 4K at 30 fps, perfect for capturing memorable moments. The iPhone 16e, however, offers more versatility with 4K recording options at various frame rates, including 120 FPS for slow motion videos. If video quality and options matter, the iPhone 16e is the clear winner. Finally, when it comes to pricing, the Samsung Galaxy A56 is priced at $450, making it a more budget-friendly option without sacrificing performance. The iPhone 16e, priced at $599, reflects its premium branding and features. For value seekers, the Galaxy A56 offers a more accessible entry point into high-quality smartphones.